Timbersurf here with the results of the competition to win free tickets to Model Rail Crewe. Well, unfortunately, there has only been a very small number of entrants to my competition. In fact, there's been 2 entrants. So, no problem on deciding who wins. The only 2 that applied are the winners. And it just leaves me to say that that is Paul and Paris of Smallwood Junction, who did send 2 separate emails, and they are the winners. Simple. So, with that, I will see you at Crewe, and if you want the chance to win some more tickets and you've missed out on my competition, you've still got a chance with Finnerton's. If you go to his channel, he will be doing another final competition for 2 more tickets this week. So with that, I'll see you at Crewe, and for me, Timbersurf, it's ciao for now.